Hello my beautiful queens. Today we're going to test out the new Tarte Shape Tape Corrector, the red one. I really wanted to try and see if I could get the best flawless base for my skin, which means getting rid of that hyperpigmentation underneath, and it was pretty good. If you want to check out how I got this look guys and got this base, stick around. Mwah. Okay my gorgeous ones, let's get this look going. I want to create the perfect base this morning for my makeup. It's going to be all about the base this morning, okay? I need to cover up all this hyperpigmentation somehow. I don't want it peeping through my foundation or anything like that. I'm a bit shiny guys, I've just done my serums in there. I'm going to try my hardest to make myself look flawless because I do not feel good. I had a shit sleep. I feel tired. It's not in my mantra though to be putting myself down, okay? So never put yourself down, guys. If you are feeling like I am, like nothing's gone your way. This morning, nothing went my way. I dropped things, and when I start dropping things on the ground, it's like, not in the morning, you know, not in the damn morning. Why? Let's try to change it, you know, as much as we can. Don't resist, remember, no resistance. Just let it go, let it flow, and let's just try and do our best. So what I want to do today, guys, is try and create a really flawless base on myself. Now, by that I mean not seeing any of my hyperpigmentation popping through my foundation. And for that, I'm going to use Color Corrector, the new Tarte one, okay? And yeah, let's test it. Not really into using color correctors, but they do work if you use them properly. And I also have the yellow one, the pink one, and another one, I think it's peach. But this is a color for me because I'm medium color. Now it's a darky kind of red one. You'll be like, what? Like, ooh, you know? But we're gonna try and get rid of this hyperpigmentation everywhere here. It's really bad on my forehead, and on my cheeks. And just try to create a flawless base which looks really good under a simple foundation. So this is the new Shape Tape Corrector. Looks like that. Really cool. New ones. We're just gonna put little bits, okay? Not too much. Just on the dark spots that you can see on my face, which is pretty much freaking everywhere. I'm really breaking out, I'm over it. Even on this red vein here. I'm not too bad under the eyes. Hope it's not too pigmented. We'll try that amount first, okay? Don't want too much of this stuff on, because if you put on too much of it, then you just can't blend it away. So let's get a little brush and try that. I really want a flawless base. A flawless base, guys, makes you feel awesome. It makes you look so healthy. It makes you look really alive. So let's just get it over the hyperpigmentation parts. And it looks very dark. Up here I have some as well. I might even need to wipe some off. Yeah, I think I've fucking put too much on. Oh, it's a test, guys. It's a test. Just on all the dark spots, okay? I can always wipe some off later. Here, gosh, it's on my whole cheek actually. Up here, I put too much up here. I'll try wiping my brush off. It's okay. Can always get that beauty blender in there, And here, I just don't want to see any of it today. I don't want to see any of it any day. Just really get the excess off. Gone too hard. Oh gosh, I always do that. Oh well. You know, I'm on this journey, the skincare journey of doing like my hyperpigmentation, but it just doesn't seem to be budging, you know? And I have a theory that scrubs and stuff like that are actually making it worse. It's very sensitive, this hyperpigmentation. So you've got to be careful, and it all depends on like your skin tone, you know, you kind of how your skin reacts, everything like that. If you scrub your skin or have too many facial scrubs or anything like that, it can actually go against it. I'm pretty sure I've put too much on. Let's find a foundation, guys. I love this one. It's a Dior Forever foundation in matte. Man, reliable. If you ever feel tragic or anything like that, This one, and also my other love is the Dior Forever Skin Glow. This one's beautiful though, I love the matte. Let's get it on, see how this goes. What do you guys think? Wow, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty damn good, doesn't it? Is it covered? Yeah, it's done a better job. I'm looking a bit red though, I think. I might put another pump on. Shit, that was a lot of pumps. I'm gonna try and use the other side of the sponge because I feel like I'm mixing in that redness with my foundation, so I'll use the clean side. Let's see if that does anything. Yes, definitely. Much better. I should have done that before. What do you guys reckon? Yes. Hey guys, I like that. What do you think? Could be looking a little bit red. Maybe I put on too much. But what do you guys think overall? Has it hidden that hyperpigmentation? I wouldn't say, my peeps, that's totally hidden the hyperpigmentation. It's definitely lessened it. Definitely hidden it a bit more, which is nice. But I like it. I mean, yeah, let's get some powder up in there, a bit of concealer. I feel I'm a little bit reddy coloured. But hey man, I like this stuff, the Tarte Shape Tape Corrector. Amazing. I want to try their other one actually. Where is it? I have their pink corrector here. Let's give it a go under the eyes. I really love these. That was a winner, that red corrector, so let's try the pink one under the eyes. I need to brighten up. Oh, feels very nice. Not thick, guys. It's not like, you know, I may put a little bit on. Bit here, nose. Up here to lift. Very pink. Oh, very bright. It's okay. We can always take that down a bit, you know, with the beauty blender. Yeah, that's very... I think I were meant to use this under the bloody foundation, to be honest. Seriously bright. You need to use this under a foundation, I'd say, guys, or unless you're a, you know, lighter skin tone than me, I guess. Just kind of pat that out. I don't want to get the red corrector mixed in with this. That would look absolutely stunning under the foundation, you know. That would really brighten everything up, and you probably wouldn't need that pink powder, which I really love. Okay, looking pretty bright under the eyes, but let's get that down, with a bit of powder. So, I think I'm going to use, I'm not going to use another pink powder, can you imagine that? I'm going to use my beautiful Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. I love. Powder puff, guys, best thing to add your powders on with. Let's get under that eye and try and, you know, tone it down. Set it a bit. Yeah. Put that powder everywhere else you might need it, guys. Everywhere you usually put it. I don't put it everywhere, but I feel like my skin's looking pretty flawless. Really happy with that. And if you look a bit powdery, right, we're just going to spray, and it's going to make you look amazing. Truly, truly is. I love what setting spray does. Okay, my queens, here's the finished look. Honestly, it is looking quite red to me. I totally went overboard with the red corrector, okay? That one. I can see it. Not too bad on the forehead. I'll keep trying. Yeah, I love it. I mean, it did make a difference. It has made a change in my face. I can see it in my little mirror here. It's not as obvious. I mean, what you see here is more than what I see actually in my mirrors here. I actually look quite good. But the pink corrector was no good under my eyes. I can feel that it's very crepey. You know, it got right into my wrinkles here. Oh, yeah, it really has. It actually enhanced them. So I'm not going to be using that again. Gosh! Yeah, it's sitting in my fine lines. I don't care, you've got to live and learn, and you've got to actually test these things out, guys. Now I want to share with you the eye palette that I use, which was a lovely Pat McGrath one, which I totally love. Mothership Sublime Perfection. That one there, my peeps. Very quick, terrible, hideous look actually. I'm just not in the mood to do eyeshadow or look freaking amazing. But I do want to share my amazing lipstick with you, which is this beautiful Lisa Eldridge one. And this is in the shade Velvet Duchess. Stunning. And if I can give you guys a tip, if you're feeling like crap, chuck on a nice red lippy or a dark lippy. You know, it just makes you pop, it makes your lips look amazing. I might just put earrings in actually. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial or try on of the Tarte Correctors, which are amazing actually. I just put too much on. Yeah, but I do love it. I do look pretty good. Yeah guys, so the Tarte Correctors are amazing, they do work. Just don't put so much on like I did. And I will catch you up on another awesome video very soon. Mwah!